Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a screen mirroring app for your TV. And before you screencast your phone into TV, you will need to ensure a few things. So the first one is compatibility. So make sure that your TV should support screen mirroring or wireless display technology. So you can check your TV's manual for compatibility. And also the mobile device, so your smartphone or tablet should also support screen mirroring. This is usually built in for devices running on Android or iOS, like my phone in here. My phone's compatible to do smart mirroring because there is that feature on my phone. So the second one is the network connection. So both your TV and mobile device should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And the third one is the screen mirroring app. So if your device doesn't have a built-in screen mirroring feature like this, you can download a third-party app on the Google Play Store. For example, on my Android here, you can just find it. For example, you can use Google Cast or AirScreen or Miracast Enabler. So you can just find this is the Google Cast, the Cast for Chromecast, AirScreens. There are also other screen mirroring apps that you can use. On the iOS, you can use AirPlay, AirScreen, or Reflector. So the steps is that you can just turn on the screen mirroring on TV. So you can consult your TV's manual for specific instruction, but it usually involves accessing the settings menu and searching for screen mirroring or wireless display or a similar term. The second one is that you need to enable the screen mirroring on the mobile device. So if you want to enable it on the built-in screen mirroring, you can go to settings and find smart mirroring. In here you can tap on it, and in here you can just choose connect to a mirroring device and make sure that your TV is already on the screen mirroring. And after that, you can just select your TV from the list of available devices. And if you are using a third-party app, you can open the app and follow the on-screen instruction to connect to your TV. So once you've connected to your TV, your mobile device screen should be mirrored into your TV, so you can now play videos or do video mirroring, image mirrorings, or music mirroring. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.